Oriri mihang'o ya utarani wa andu yerekeire gutiriho Jumamothi ino, Minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Dr Fred Matiang'i ni akerite mukonde kuri na macibu maikitio ngono ni kugeria guthoga mihang'o ino guku akiuga gutiri mundu kuiguiruo tha anyite kana agithoga kana akigeria guthararia mihang'o ino.
For those who have broken the law or who are alleged to have broken the law, unfortunately including public servants, I want to assure them that we will take action decisively without fear or favor. We'll remain firm and ensure that the right thing is done for our country. Regardless of who has broken the law, it just doesn't matter. Whoever has done that will be brought to book, and we will ensure that the right thing is done for our country. This is a point at which we are all called upon to behave responsibly and to be patriotic and support the initiatives that are good for all of us.
Okaida-ini kau mwaria wa thirikari Cyrus Oguna ni akinyiriria ati mihang'o ino ndikuongererwo ihinda makiria na igatirirwo ta uria iratanyitwo Jumamothi ino ya tariki 31 ona gutuika murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa ndari guku bururi-ini Dr Matiang'i ni augite gukinyaniria muthenya wa Jumamothi ni maratanya ni magakorwo mandikithitie gicunji kia 100% kia Kenya.
Still continue to call upon Kenyans to cooperate with the enumerators, because this census exercise is not for the enumerators. The assumption is that it is not important, but it is important because it is intended to provide data that is aimed at helping the government to plan better for us in the next 10.
Oguna ni ongereire kuga gutire mundu urathaithwo niguo atarwo amunire ndekithia riri gatiba-ini ya bururi na uguo aria mekwaga kunyitanira na aria maratabania mihang'o ino ni mekuonanwo nao kiwatho.
This census exercise is a constitutional requirement, and therefore in the unlikely event, and I'm using that unlikely event, that you decide not to cooperate with the enumerator, then you will be breaking the law.
Na niguo gutigirira andu othe ni matarwo riu thirikari ni thundurite kandi ya mwanya iria iratigwo nyumba kwa mundu uria wakorwo atari kuo niguo acoka mucii ahure thimu niguo aria maratarana macoke gwake makamutare. Okaida-ini kau kaunti ya Nakuru ni yumiritie ta imwe ya icigo iria mihang'o ino ikinyaniire wega kumana na wingi wa andu aria mataritwo nginyanagia na riu. Akiaria hindi ya kunyabara uria mihang'o ino iratabanio mwena wa Naivasha, mwandiki munene ministry-ini ya waki Cyrus Oguna ni ongereire kuga gukinyanira kwa mihang'o ino ni guguteithiriria thirikari hari kugathika mitaratara iria yagiriire gutungatira muingi wa bururi na kurumbuia mabataro mao. Utarani wa andu wambiririe tariki 24 mweri uyu no utanyitwo gutiriho Juma ino kuri andu othe maratanywo gukorwo meyandikithitie mihang'o-ini ino.